This is the other end of the train. We've already had a piece fall off it in the Sam's Trains tradition, so I'm going to have to glue that back. It's got that back in place, but I warn you, it's rather a fiddly job. Not as difficult to connect as on the old train. Time to get the train on the track. This is the power car. Let's just turn it upside down to have a look. It differs from the original VEP in that it has a metal chassis. That's metal. This is all made of metal, which is quite a good feature. And there's no traction tyres on the power bogie. Now we've got to get it connected up. Not as difficult to connect as I'm sorry, there's a large obstruction on the line. I have to get on to permanent way department and have it removed.